Hi guys! First of all, I would like to say thank you so much for all your messages and your emails. It's really great to see that so many people are interested in my new Polish course. So thank you so much. I'm really grateful. Also, many of you asked me for some more information on the course, so I thought I would make a short video for you. So the course is for beginners. It's for total beginners too. So if you don't know even a word in Polish, then the course is for you. If you know something, if you have some knowledge, but you feel like you just need structure, then the course is for you as well. I have prepared so many exercises for you, many audio files, so then you can practice your listening skills, many reading exercises. After the course, you shall be able to hold a conversation with someone. You should be able to understand simple text, and generally you shall feel more comfortable using Polish. I'll tell you very quickly what's on the course so you have an idea. Module 1 is about alphabet, about pronunciation. I focused here on the pronunciation of the Polish sounds, as I know quite many people struggle with that. Module 2 is greeting, basic phrases, so you know how to introduce yourself, how to ask other people what are their names and surnames, and also apologize, thank, and all the basic phrases. Module 3 is already about grammar, so here we've got to be, grammatical gender in plural and singular, and also plural forms for the nouns. Module 4, adjectives with endings, colors, a lot of new vocabulary, new verbs. Also here you'll find out how to ask about quality of things, so what something is like. Module 5 is about nationalities in Polish, days of the week, also the names of countrymen, countrywomen, so you know, a Pole and Englishman and so on. And here we also have got the instrumental case. Very important for you to know, the course is not focused on the cases. The only case that we are going to talk about here is the instrumental case. Maybe next year I will create a separate course just on the cases, but unfortunately on this one we don't get into the cases. Then module 6, we have numbers, we have hours and family vocabulary and possessive pronouns. Module 7 is here you get to know many verbs. I feel this one is like very important modules. One of actually all of them are very important, or maybe I shouldn't say that. But here you really expand your vocabulary, you get to know many verbs. Also we talk about the months and the weather, and possessive pronouns, plural forms. And the last module is module 8, and here we talk about your age, and we have house-related vocabulary, we talk about money, about prices, and here you get to know even more verbs because we talk about how does your day usually look like. And the great thing about Teachable is that under every section you can leave your comment, you can leave your question, so whenever something's unclear you can just write to me there, and then I will reply to you as soon as possible. So even if the course, it's an online course, but I feel like it's really interactive, because you know I can help you on every level here, on every stage, on every step here. I think that's all I wanted to tell you. Yes, the price is going to be around £80, but I'm planning to give you some discount for the first weeks, so I think that this is really good. And I will keep you updated about the course on Facebook, on the YouTube, on my YouTube channel. So for sure you will know once it has been launched. If you have any questions, of course, just drop me an email. I'm really excited. I'm really happy, and I'm sure you will love it, because I feel like it really gives you really good basis for Polish. So you know how after the course you shall know how to communicate with other people, but also you have like really good basis for further learning. So if you go further into grammar, then it shall be much easier for you, because you have those you have like a really good structure there already. Great, thank you so much, and see you soon. Do zobaczenia.